And welcome back, Firewood Addicts, to another episode of Travis Does Firewood. Today, we're gathering firewood that's already seasoned. Let's go! Alright, so we are at the ocean. I'm going to open the door. I hope that you can hear me. Oh, it's beautiful. We are down over at Ocean Shores, which is on the coast, Washington State. Just check out the open ocean. Beautiful. So we're here today on the beach, early morning. My family is starting to get up, and I wanted to come to the beach because I'm in need of some seasoned firewood. Seasoned, ready to go, with all the seasoning on it, and we got some logs. These logs here have been floating in the ocean amongst all this. I mean, people like to come down here and make beach fires and then they make a big mess. It's ridiculous. Like, if you're gonna be on the beach, take your garbage and put it where it goes. Anyway, these logs have been floating in the ocean for I don't know how long. Months, weeks, days, I don't know. But they are definitely, all the bark is cleaned off. It's also smooth right here. None of these logs have bark on it. Definitely smooth, definitely have been rolled around in the ocean for a long time. But you know what? They've been rolling around in salt water. It's been seasoned with salt from the salt water. Therefore, we have found seasoned firewood. Now, if I can get this wood in the back of my truck, take this home, buck it up, split it up, we're good to go. We got seasoned firewood, folks. Seasoned firewood from the firewood gods, from the ocean, and we have seasoned firewood. We can sell this right away, because by definition it's seasoned, right? By definition it's seasoned, okay? Because there's salt water, ocean, salt goes in the wood, therefore it's seasoned. Salt is a seasoning. It's seasoned firewood. We got it. We got the whole beach has a bunch of like logs. They're everywhere on the beach here, and it's ours for the taking. It's free. The firewood gods have blessed us this morning down here at the ocean with firewood. I don't know what else to say. Well, what can you say? There's one over here too. Let's check it out. Right over here. Now, some of these logs, you need like a tractor, or I mean, come down here with a chainsaw. I didn't bring my chainsaw with me, okay? The whole back of my truck was, and my dually was full of clothes and gear for the kids and toys, yeah, whatever. But so I don't know if I have space. Maybe I can put it on top of my truck. Maybe if we put a log on top of the truck, strap it down, that may work, right? So check this out. We have another log here. It's kind of half buried, but hey, look at this fine. Look at this. Ooh, that's beautiful. And we got some extra barnacles on here. See that barnacles right there? See that? Sea life. So the shells of the barnacles are add calcium to your fire. So therefore they will burn hotter. Calcium equals more heat. Okay? Yeah. So that's a good keeper there. The keeper. And then we got this one here. I don't know what's going on here. Someone put one of these seasoned logs upright over here. That's pretty crazy. I don't know what's up with that. A lot of mischief happens in the evening times on the beach. I don't understand that. Like, what brings apart mischief, beach? I don't know. Crazy. Anyway, these logs here have been like half burnt. The first bunch of logs that we came to, they were already smoldering, so they had a fire there last night, but I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, these logs here have been buried in the sand and half burnt, and wanted to start a fire, but no one was successful there. But yeah, these are well seasoned, good to go logs. All the salt in them with the seasoning. Yeah. So we're headed now back down the beach. Not much traffic here now, but we want to see if we can find more logs. So there's one right there, another seasoned log, good to go. All you gotta do is collect it. It's ours for the taking. Come down here. Some other people are, I don't know, they say the night or down here beach combing or not, but I mean, I think the tide is out right now. And I would not want to stay here overnight here. Like, campfire there with some logs. People trying to burn them, and they're successful because they got black on them, which from the embers. This is the score. You got some more logs right here, right over there. Yeah, this is definitely a place to get seasoned firewood. This is, let's go over here real quick. What's this over here? Another log? Check this out right here. Yeah, check this one out right here. That's a good piece right there. Yeah, that's a good one right there too. And then we turn over here. Turn over here. We got some people starting to make a fire on that one. That's the good stuff right there. That's the good stuff. Right in there. That is the good stuff. And then we got one right here. Ooh, here we go. Here's a nice skinny one that would be prime. Hey, we can go out here. Let's go right here. Yeah. Hang on a second. So again, I don't know if you can hear me or not because it's so windy here, but we found a prime example of it's fresh. It is fresh from the ocean, folks. It's gonna be salty, fresh. Let's try to take this one home, okay? You wanna help me with this? I need your help. I need your help to get this seasoned log that is jam-packed full of seasoning inside. Jam-packed. It's right here. Just freshly washed up. I don't know where from, but definitely have been rolled around for a long time, okay? Check this out. Beautiful. That's gonna make some good firewood right there. That's gonna make good firewood. All right. See if I can pick this one up. All right. Not too heavy. Still dripping off without seasoning. Look at it dripping off the seasoning. All right, let's try to walk this back to the truck. Oh, she's not too heavy. She's definitely wet. Let's try to get this up on the truck. So take it home, okay? This is gonna be our firewood score. Take it home. This log here, this is gonna yield like 2 cores of wood. Of seasoned primo wood. I'm gonna sell this right away. Make a killing. I don't know what species this is, but it doesn't matter because you know why? Because it's seasoned. Whew. Yeah, that's a workout in the morning. I hope this turns out with audio. But then we're gonna get this on the truck. Here we go. Okay, we're at the truck now. At the truck, I'll set you up. Hang on. Alright, get this on here. Good to go. Alright. Alright, let's go down the beach. Got it. We got the one. folks. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Till next time, life's short to be a prick. So, be kind to one another. Stay safe. Stay cool this summer. Rock and roll. Keep cutting. Cheers. For those who have stayed to the end, obviously this is another attempt of Travis's Firewood and doing satire, okay? There's something about logs that have been rolling around in the ocean for a while that does not make it ideal firewood at all. In fact, I think it's dangerous. I don't know the science all behind it. If anyone does, leave a comment down leave a comment down below there, folks. Even if you tried to, this wood is soaked. I don't understand why people, when they drive on the beach, they drive like maniacs. Like, why would you drive like a maniac on the beach? Like, even this car yesterday just got stuck. They got stuck in the sand. Like, just drive like a normal person. I mean, yeah, do your donuts, whatever we want to do, but most of these cars are not off-road vehicles. Like, anyway, yeah, I just thought I would do a fun, quick video. Definitely satire. And the comment about the barnacles and the calcium, I don't think there's any truth to that. I don't think that any shell for seafood shell would yield anything. In fact, I think it would probably be in tune with people thinking that nails and metal will pop and do harm to their wood stove. I think it would probably do that. So there's little to no truth to calcium. But if anyone knows what like barnacles or like oyster or like clamshells can do in a fireplace, let me know down in the comments. But anyway, definitely satire, seasoned as in salt, a play on words. Not, I wouldn't burn logs from the ocean in your fireplace or even outside. I don't think it's good. So just laugh with me, it's funny.